Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's been almost, oh my god, a year since I posted my last one, and I thought I'd make one about Python. This is something out of the ordinary for me, but let's get started. First of all, I have to say that this is a really simple virus. I don't know if I should even call it a virus, but if it's developed a bit, it can be kind of dangerous. Alright, so open your IDE and make a new project. I have already created one and I have named it virus project. Now we need to create a string variable. I'll just name it value and leave it empty. We're gonna create a new file. File equals open. You can write whatever you want here as a name, but make sure it's a txt file and W for write. While true, and this is just an infinite loop, value plus equals, here type /n and whatever text you like. The larger it is, the better. Okay, I think this is enough. Now go to the next line and type file.write value. And finally make also sure to close the file. Actually, it's not needed, but anyways. So once we open our Python file, it seems that nothing is really happening. But you see that there's a new file here. So this file is decreasing the available disk space of our computer. As you can see, it is 130 GB free and now it's 129. And if you try to delete the file, you apparently can't because it is open in our Python file, which is writing stuff in it. And as you can see here, the file size is increasing quite fast. Okay, yeah. You can easily now conclude that if I leave the program running for too much, our disk is going to be full. And this can cause many freezes and crashes and this stuff. If I could develop the virus a bit more, I would make the program run in the background and maybe this file could be hidden somewhere in the computer, but I really don't have the experience to do that. Actually now, let's make a time lapse. Again, this is enough because I don't want to destroy my computer. Oh gosh, it's 112 gigabytes. Alright, to stop the virus, you simply have to close the window. And now it's not going to grow any farther. You can simply now delete the text file. And again, the size of this file is too big for the time that our virus was running. And now you're back to normal. Yeah. I think this is all I wanted to show you for today. But before I go, I have to tell you the same thing I announced in my Discord server. I think I posted this about 6 months ago, and yeah, I'm going to read it. You might have seen that my last video was like 6 months ago and that I'm not active on YouTube. So I announced to you guys that I won't be uploading anytime soon. I might upload some videos this summer. I uploaded one, this video you're watching right now. The reason for this is the fact that I'm in 12th grade and I have to study a lot. So I might be actually active again after university or something. Or I'll just never upload again. Guys, okay, I really don't want to never upload again, but I really don't have that much time for YouTube like I had before. but I think it's okay. I have no idea when I'm going to upload a new video, but I think this is the last video for this year. And yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you in case you didn't see the announcements. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.